here. Welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are playing Parkour Tag, and it just came out with a new update. Look, now I checked it, called Pro Servers, and we are going to be checking out this update. I didn't record my Parkour Tag, but I did play it before, and yeah, so we are going to be playing this. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's hit 3 likes and let's go ahead right in the video. So guys, it's loading to play Parkour Tag, and this game is actually so fun. When I used to play it alone, it's very nice with friends. You get XP, more XP and stuff. So yeah, so I'm like, yeah, of course I'll play this game. And yeah, make sure to comment what you want me to play next game. I may play Prison Life with all of my Prison Life, yeah. Because Ryan commented down below last time, and I actually forgot. I'm sorry, Ryan. I forgot. So I'll be playing Prison Life next video, and for now we're gonna be playing this because our new update released. And by the way, quick talk on Snow Shovel Simulator. I'm not gonna make a video on this, but I got the big blow. Which is $85,000. It was insane. I saved up so much, and now, if you guys know the creator, I tweeted him already, but like, it's actually like, I don't know. But the Snow Shovel Simulator, the big blow is actually so, like, the truck, when you try to get the snow, it's actually so hard. It's actually so glitchy, that truck. So, hopefully the creator of the games, which is Law2Man23, and, I don't know, and somebody fix it, hopefully. And yeah, let's play some Parkour Tag. As you can see, I'm level 4, and I bought this here. See, I have $125 actually. God, look at that. Ooh! I want to see if there's any actually. Oh, wow, there's faces. New! Let me see what faces I can buy. So I can buy those. Alright, those are a lot. I'll buy the Be Happy. I'll buy that. Yay, I'm happy. And the classes. Okay, let's get in the video. Oh no! And you know, if you guys don't know, there's a badge called like you have to flip. I already got it. So, alright guys, get ready. Here we go! Oh no, somebody's coming after me! No, I got tagged! Ow, ow, I fell. Alright guys, let's see if we can do it this time. Really hope my mic is working. I don't know. I didn't check. Oh no! What was I so far away? There he comes, dude. Right. Oh God! Please don't kill me. Not again. I don't want that much. Please. Walk in the walls. Walk in the walls. Oh wait, come on, follow me, somebody. We're taggers. Come here, people. Come here. Tagged. What the? He should be tagged. Oh, that guy stole it. How was he even tagged? Triple jump. Ja! Oh, I got him. Oh yeah, got him. You two, you're dead this time. Nope, not. Oh my God! What the heck was that? Oh my God! Alright, let's go, let's go. Oh my god. What the heck? Why am I so bad with the bro? Alright. Climbing up those. Oh my. Dude, I can't control it. We go so fast in this game. Come on, let me go up here. Come on. Oh. No, we're gonna be a runner now. Run away. Keep running, no, not a day. Never mind. I'll leave the first one caught in the running. Oh. Over here. No, never mind. Malik always tags me. Oh, what? Going so easy on them. Dude, it's so hard this game. You run so fast. Dang! He was lying down. Alright, that's it. I'm saying you. Don't mind me. I'm not jumping down. Oh. Alright. Don't mind me. I'm over here. So I'm gonna just dance. Caps. See? Don't mind me. Oh. Wait. Come on, Malik. Time for revenge. Yo, tagged me once. That's Malik. I tagged him. Revenge. Let me tag. Let's go. Let's go. We need more. Get up here. Oh my god. Thank you. Come here. Malik. Malik down. Yay. That's what Malik gets. Now never tag Zach or Paul together one again. Right. Come here, sir. No problem. Just gonna tag you. That's no problem. Right? Oh, we won! Look, we won! Yay! We won, guys. Come on, I want more tags. GG! Was I first? At least I was third! Woo! I'm third! Look at me! Yay! Oh, look, I did it! So now we gotta look at those. So, tagged. I was the most one tagged! Excuse me? Tags. I was the 5th most one tags. 3rd. High tag streak, 3rd. So, I should be there. But I was tagged the most 5 times. Oh, even that good. 5 times. And to everything too? Yeah, to everything too. Wait, and to Izzy, oh? No, to BB and stuff and oh, we're blue, good. I love being blue. Oh my god. Just probably. Somehow, first one. Nobody's falling. Good. I'm not ever gonna get to. I'm not ever gonna go. Oh, this is the map where you can flip that switch for the badge. Ah! I took him! Remember I did that green when I stepped on it? Look, he's stuck! No! What the heck? I helped him! My bad! Oh my god. Nope. No. Why am I doing this? Oh my god. No, he's following me. Help! Mommy! How? He was so far away. He was literally so far away. Yes, it's our turn. Use revenge. Revenge to, oh no. What do I need? Whatever. Come here, sir. Come here. Did I tag him? Oh my god. Malik! My number 1 enemy! Alright, well, I'll just come to you first. God, what's happening? So bad today. Oh, dang. Joy. No, Malik, come here, Malik. I'm so bad. Oh my God, what's this round? Oh my God! Guys, that should have been a caught. Malik. Bad Malik. Great out. What? Like, I quit. What the heck? They're all so glitchy. Or what? I'm zoomed in. Hey, wait. Why am I zoomed in? Either way, it's actually kind of cool. Look at this, guys. Some spins. Actually, come on, how do I unzoom out? F. So I have to hold F to unzoom out. Really? Wow. Just hold F. Look, wait. Oh, good. Now it's working. Alright, guys, we need to catch up. Our turn. Guys. Let's do this. War. Wow, how, dude? Oh my God. No. Oh, there you go. Got one. Yay, level 5. Die. Oh God, I'm on fire. 3-player stream, bro. Triple tag. You're not skipping me today. God, I'm on fire. We're winning. We won. Yay. We won, guys. That's not even flipped. I flipped it. We won. Yay. Who's first? Was I at least something? No, it wasn't anything. What was I? What was the third? Tags 4. Oh. 3. Oh, GG. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end it off here. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to slam that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys next time. Peace.